Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the stash grenade. This handy gadget is perfect for when your inventory is full and you need to offload some items quickly. Simply throw it, and a temporary storage container will appear, ready to hold your excess gear. It's a fantastic way to keep your valuable loot safe and accessible without having to return to a main base. We'll cover everything you need to know to master this useful tool. Deploying your stash grenade is straightforward. Just equip it from your quick select wheel or inventory, then aim and throw it to your desired location. Once it lands, a distinct, glowing storage unit will instantly appear. You can then approach it and interact to open its inventory. Remember, each stash can hold a generous amount of items, typically around 10 different stacks, making it incredibly efficient for quick transfers. Retrieving your stored items is as simple as deploying the stash. Just walk up to the glowing container and interact with it to access your inventory. Be mindful of its temporary nature. A deployed stash typically lasts for about 5 minutes before it automatically disappears. Any items left inside will be lost, so plan your retrievals carefully. Rest assured, your stash is completely secure, only you can open it. To maximize the effectiveness of your stash grenade, always deploy it in a discreet and secure spot, away from enemy patrols or prying eyes. It's perfect for temporarily holding high-value items like rare weapon parts or crucial quest objectives. For longer missions, it's wise to carry a couple of these grenades, perhaps 2 or 3, ensuring you always have a backup storage option. Master these tips to become a true inventory management expert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.